Check this out, everybody. Check this out. This is a very cool Jeep Rubicon Gladiator. Look at that. Look at those big tires. Wow, check this out. Tires so big. Nice. Let's walk around a little bit. Wow, somebody owned this Jeep. Really nice. Jeep Gladiator. Wow, nice. Oh, look at the suspension. Really cool suspension, everybody. Nice. Check this out. Wow, big rear tires. Wow, there's a disc brake in the rear tire too. Wow, nice. Check out the chunks. Wow, look at the chunk of the Jeep. Really nice. Check this out, everybody. Oh, nice Jeep Gladiator. Wow, so nice. Cool. Cool Jeep Gladiator, everybody. Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. Real nice. Got the rear wheel window too right there. Nice. Well, hope you like this video. Jeep Rubicon Gladiator, everybody. Bye bye.